Well, here we are again. Day 7, I think. All boarded up. As I promised, I'd be back when it was all boarded up. Roof on. Quick walk through, try and keep the sun out of the way. Roofing felt. Quick walk inside. There we are. Rather pleased that I managed to get the apex done. It's not the best bit of woodwork in the world, but at least Crispy can pogo underneath it now and it won't be a problem. As you can see, the double glazed window the T-boy was going to get me has arrived. This is a sample for Anglian windows. I don't really think it's very good, but that's the best they can do. That's the best they can do. Just to give you a little idea where the bar's now going. Change of plans. A nice view of the garden. Okay, I'll be back when I've got some more. The knob fiddler.